How to delete GoodBudget app. Okay, so you're ready to part ways with GoodBudget. No problem. Uninstalling it or deleting it is a straightforward process. No matter what device you are using, let's walk through it together. If you're on the Android, the process is simple. Look at the GoodBudget app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. You can see mine right over here. Long press on it, and there you can see an option for uninstall right over here. However, if you can see this type of option in your phone, what you can do is simply go to the Play Store. Once you're inside the Play Store, simply tap on search button over here. Then tap on search bar and search for GoodBudget. It's right over here. Now tap on it. That will take you to the app page. And here you can see an option for uninstall. Simply tap on it. And again, confirm the installation. Now remember, uninstalling the app doesn't automatically delete your GoodBudget account. If you want to completely remove your data, you need to log into a GoodBudget account through the website on a computer. Then navigate to your account setting, then look for the delete account option. Follow the prompts to permanently delete your account and all the associated data. Basically, in GoodBudget, we can't find an option for delete an account. However, you will find an option for close household that will delete your data from the app. And I have mentioned the whole process in the earlier videos. You can watch from the eye icon right over here. So that was just a heads up. Deleting account is a permanent. Make sure you have backed up any accounts you might need before you take the final step. So that's how we can uninstall the GoodBudget. Any question? Drop them in the comments below. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.